Hello everyone, welcome to the day 5 of our journey to mastering Facebook and Instagram ads. Today is a very big day because we'll be creating our very first ads. Let's get started.
So let's head over to our Meta ads because that is where we'll be doing everything from. So when you are there, you go to your setting. I want us to set our put the amount or put our budget for this ad before we start. So click on setting, allow it to load. Let me use this. Okay, so you will see billing and payments. Click on billing and payments, or you can add funds. Since I already set up mine, I will click on add funds. It's still the same. All right, we are there. Now you have two methods. You can either use your debit or credit card or Naira payment with MasterCard. Please, as a Nigerian, it is always advisable you use this Naira MasterCard or Visa card. This pay you. Please take note. Use pay you if you are using this from Nigeria. Now the option for payment, you see minimum of 4,500. Now there's another trick. If you are running your advert and you've not really see the success of your ad, you don't know, you want to test the waters, what you do is you just put a little amount, use that to test it. If your ad is doing well, before you can increase to your daily budget. So let's just say my daily budget for this particular ad I want to run is 2,000 naira per day. Let's assume my daily budget is 2,000, but I don't want to put the 2,000 once. You see, so I just want to test with say 200 naira, or I can even say let me test with just 100 naira. You understand the point? So that when you see that the ad is doing well, you can now come and put the other balance, maybe 1,900 or maybe the 2,000 naira. But for now, I just want to test it. So if you want to run your ad, do the same thing. Don't put the 2,000 naira on, because when you set it that way and the ad is not performing well, you end up losing that money. So I will say 200 naira, then I proceed. Okay, so click on next. So you say, do you want to pay with? Continue. So now we are here. When you get to this page, you now fill in your card detail, your MasterCard detail. You fill it, put your card number, the holder's name, the expiry date of your card. Then you now click on confirm payment. Pay this amount. You click on it. As soon as you click on it, it will send an OTP code to your phone number, either to your phone number or your email in your account. You know how you having seen this. Let's go back to the main business of the day. So click on this plus sign and choose your ad objective. So let's say our ad objective is leads generation. Alright, all the options are available now. The first one is campaign, ad set, and the ad itself. So this is where we are going to edit one after the other. So let's choose our ad campaign name. Click on it. We'll call it new leads 1, for example. We are done. Go back. Next is ad category. This category we are not going to touch it because our ad is not about politics or election or anything, so let's leave it. Then the ad budget, I want to budget say 2,000 naira per day. So daily is 2,000. I want us to be very fast. So we are done with that. Go back. We are done with this. Go to the next stage. Either you click on next or you come and click on this ad set. Then the same name, ad set name. Let's say 1 to differentiate it. Conversion, where do you want it to occur? Is it Messenger? Is it Facebook? Is it anywhere? Let's say we want our website. We want it to occur on our website. Website could be to your WhatsApp, could be to your Instagram, could be to your Telegram, it could be to any site you put your online store. That's the essence. Meaning any person that contacts you, that is where Facebook will direct them to. So let's say websites. We are going to use our WhatsApp later, so that in case that, because we're choosing a website, it will tell us to put a link to that website later. So I click on websites. Let's go back and continue. Then conversion events. This is not really important, but depending on depending on the kind of advert you are doing, or it's not important for this ad. Then scheduling is not still important. I want my ad to run immediately after I finish setting up this ad campaign. Let it continue run. But if you want it to start running later, this is where you will set it. We'll go to the next one, audience targeting. We have already discussed this on day 4, which is yesterday's video. So you can go back to that place and watch it to understand. I just want it to load so you see how the interface looks like. So go back to yesterday's video so you can watch this. Sorry, I'm trying to be fast because if I don't do that, we'll waste the whole time here. Now the next one is placement. Where do you want your ad to run? Allow Facebook to choose for you. Allow Facebook to choose for you. So we are done with this ad set. Then we'll go to next. Let's still name it ad set 1 for, so we can differentiate it with other ads later if we want to do another one. Identity. Which page you want this ad to run from? Because I have more than one pages. That's why you see. Let me just click on it. I have more than one pages, but I want it to run on this my main page, so that's not important also. The next one is ad setup. Yes, this is very important. Now, if you look at this format, you have single image or video. You also have carousel. What it means is that for single image or video, you can only use one picture, one video for your ad, for every message you want to send with your ad. But if you click on this carousel, you can use more than one picture or more than one video. At least minimum of 3, could be from 3 to 5 and above. So I want to use that because it will make your ad to be very efficient. You have different methods. It means that you have different options to attract people to what you are doing. So since we are done with that, now go to ad creative, the last and final stage. Click on the pencil sign. Now you see, they say edit carousel card. So let me click on edit, so that each of these, what it means is that each of these cards I can put different flyers for it. Instead of using just one flyer to pass my message to my audience, I can use more than one, which is about 3 and above flyers to pass my message. So let me edit it and choose different images for each of them. What it means is that when this ad will be running, Facebook will be using these 3 flyers, or even if it's video, 3 different videos to be attracting people to the message I want to pass across. So look at the first one, it's highlighted. The second one and third one, they are not highlighted. So since it's on the first one, I want to look for the image. You can see image, page, images, camera roll. That's where you have your gallery. So let me go to my camera roll to look for any image of my choice. So I just want to, should I just pick, okay, let me just pick this, all these ones at random. Let me pick this as my first image and see. Okay, it's not highlighted yet. Okay, so I'll save that. Let me see. Then edit again to pick for the second image. I'll click on this second one. Okay, for this second one, let me find camera roll also to my gallery. Sorry for the little delay. Network is okay. So let me go and look for another graphics for drop shipping. This is another one. Pick this for my second graphic. Okay, so let me save it. Then edit again to pick for my third image. Let me click on the third one. Okay, so let me pick camera roll. Alright, to load. Okay. So let me pick this one for my third image, or my third flyer. That's what it means. So I have, let's count. Let me save it first. So I have one, the first flyer, second flyer, and third flyer for this particular campaign. I can also decide to add to it. So if I want to add to it, you see this plus sign. After the 1, 2, 3, there's a plus sign. If I click on the plus sign, I can add to this column to make it more than 3, but that's not important. So since we are done with the flyers we are going to use for this, now what is the message that this ad wants to carry? Primary text. Add the primary text. So this is where I will put the ad copy. I will do a video on that. Ad copy. I already have a message, an ad copy. I have. So let me go and copy it. It says free training how to sell hot physical products. So this is my hard copy. If you are very familiar with advertisement online, you will see that apart from the video or the flyer that they use, there's also a write-up that accompanies those flyers. So I have my information now, the hard copy. Now the next one is call to action. What is your call to action? This is very important. Most of those times at the end of every advert, you will see either they say shop now, book now, learn more. Most times people use learn more or sign up. So let's just say learn more. What it means is that anytime an audience, a targeted audience, click on that learn more, they will send the audience to your link or to where you put every information about the ad. So that's when they want to contact you or all that. So when you are done with that, you click on this preview. So this is the flyer. The other one is there. So this is the second. Okay, now what it means is that on mobile feed on Facebook, this is how it will look like, this first one. Then this one is how it will look like on Instagram, because Facebook is also the owner of Instagram. So you see the information, how to sell hot selling products. So when they click on it, this more, when you click on it, you see all the messages. So this is how it will appear on your page. And when you are done, you just go back and press publish. This under here to show publish. Now I did not publish it because this my ad account is under review. So why. If you watch this video to this extent, it means you are getting value. So you can comment value in the comment section to show that you are really following the class. And as always, I have a task for you. The task is you create your first ad and drop a comment below once your ad is live. You can also share your experience. If you have been trying to run ad before and you are having issue, you can also share your experience on the comment section. So this is how to launch your very first ad. In our tomorrow video, we'll be talking about the power of visuals in your ad. Now all these images that I use, they are the visual in your ad. The power of such visuals and how to make your visual eye catching, that is what we'll be discussing tomorrow. So let's look forward to tomorrow. Have a nice